Do you long for a garden that looks like this? But fear yours will end up looking like this? Fear no more. Here at Bluestone Perennials, we've been helping folks like you garden for over 50 years. Along the way, we've learned a few things about how to make gardening easy. Here are our top 4 secrets to success. First, start with reliable performers. At Bluestone, we grow what we sell and choose only easy care varieties that perform dependably. Every plant we offer goes through a 2-year evaluation process. In our trial greenhouses, we assess plants for vigor, flower quantity and color, bloom duration, ease of care, and much more. The finalists are the best of the best. Our second success tip involves your specific plant choices. Not every plant can thrive in every place. Some like cold weather, others prefer heat. Some are shade lovers, while others need sun. What's more, your choices will differ depending on your location and design needs. A privacy hedge calls for different plants than a walkway edging or a climber up a pole. Don't worry, we make that easy too. Our handy plant finder lets you search by key variables, including sun and shade amounts, plant height, bloom time, flower color, and more. Use it to narrow your selections to just those plants that are suited to your needs. Third, our innovative pots completely avoid what's known as transplant shock. While transferring new plants from pot to garden often damages tender roots, our pots are plantable. They're made from biodegradable coconut husk fiber and go right in the ground along with the plant.
The new container breathes and allows the plant material to have that air exchange with the roots that is so important.
Strong roots develop as a result. Plus, we eliminate environmentally unfriendly plastic pots. Finally, wherever you buy your plants, look for a guarantee. We offer a 100% guarantee on all our plants. If you're not satisfied for any reason, let us know. We'll reship or refund your money, as you prefer. It's just one more way we make gardening easy for all our customers. To explore the plants we offer, head on over to our website at the link below. And for more tips on how to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.